Hey guys, Kapper here. It's October 9th, 2019, and I've been issued a fishing challenge by my buddy CJ, aka the Shikster. Shik happens. So right now, I'm on my way out to plant my last food plot. It's a small clover chicory plot. It's a perennial, so it should come up just nice in the cooler weather. But anyways, back to the fishing challenge. I got it in the bag, man. Shikster, are you kidding me? I accept the challenge, even with the 14 pages of rules you got going on. I mean, how hard can it be? Beat the Shikster in a fishing contest. Money in the bank already, man. I'm making dividends, so.
Oh, that's a big fish. That's a big one. That is Walter. That's a big one, baby.
Stay tuned. In the next few days, I'm gonna
Big bass.
try and take the rowboat out. I have an excuse now, so I have to take the rowboat out and do some fishing. So.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
I'm gonna get this plot down and maybe get out fishing in the next couple days and get up a video. And
Look at that. Unbelievable.
pretty much squash the Shikster. That's what I'm thinking. So we got to get some stills. That's at least a 4-pounder.
Oh yes. Look at that.
So stay tuned.
Let's get a couple stills and get them back in the water.